Come and watch the grasshopper teach us something new today.
Are you looking for a complete personal narrative unit? Be sure to check the description below to grab our paired differentiated lessons for stress-free planning. In our last video, we learned how to edit the personal narrative essay. Today, you will learn how to make a title for your essay. Now that editing is done, it's time to create a title for your personal narrative. A title should tell what the story is mostly about and make the reader want to read more. One way to write a title is with a describing title. This type of title uses a describing word and an important moment from the story. The describing word tells what the moment was like, how it felt, looked, or sounded. The moment is the part of the story that stands out the most. Let me think about my whale watching story. One moment that really stood out was when freezing ocean water splashed near our boat. The splash felt cold and surprising. So, I can combine a describing word and that moment to create the title, Freezing Splash. Another option is an action title. This focuses on an important thing in the story and an action that happened. The important thing could be a main person, object, or place. The action explains what someone did or what happened with that important thing. In my story, an important thing is the whale, and the action is when it suddenly appeared next to our boat. So an action title I could write is The Whale That Appeared Out of Nowhere. You can also write a when title. This type of title starts with the word when and tells about an important moment in the story. For my story, I might write When the Whale Appeared. Once you have a few different titles, it's time to choose the best one. A good title tells what the story is mostly about, is catchy, and is shorter than a sentence. I think I like Freezing Splash the best. I will write each word with a capital letter so the readers know it's a title. Now you're ready to write your own title. Thanks for watching our teaching video on writing a title for a personal narrative essay. Don't forget to follow Grasshopper and shop our personal narrative writing resources. Check the description for more.